Okay, whoever made this route made my worst nightmare. How did I not fall there?
It has been programmed, this forest.
It's a view. This is okay. According to local rumors, somebody parked a Ford on the river. Am I blind? I think I'm blind. Oh well. Still no Ford. Oh. Nice factory. Nice field. I like everything. See, this is way more natural. No tarmac polluting everything. To get tarmac here, you need oil and you need trucks and it's gravel, dirt. It's the greener alternative. Somebody should write the government. And another bonus, you can't really drive, I mean you can drive a lot quicker than I do, but You can't. There's limits to how fast you can drive on this stuff. With all the bumps back there, I mean, most of us would not drive very fast. So you get less accidents as well. And drunk driving will be ridiculous because people will crash like instantly, so they won't kill no one. Driving on the phone is too risky. So I think that could solve a lot of problems. More people would probably drive bikes as well, which is a lot more, it's a lot better for the environment compared to cars. Instead of taking a car when you're only transporting yourself, you'll take a bike. Whoa. I think I've solved a lot of problems with this idea. More people would probably get their eyes open for traveling like this. So maybe there'll be less flying around as well. Wow, beautiful area. I wonder what the wild camping laws are in Poland. This looks like a place I could sleep. I should probably be standing a lot more. I mean, you feel everything a lot more when you sit down. And my knees aren't what they used to be. Edit that out. So it's follow the sand. Oh. I don't understand sand. It's like suddenly there's lots of grip, and then there's no grip. Probably depending. Probably depend. Sorry, almost fell there. Probably depending on what's underneath. It's my. I don't know. Probably driving it way too slow. It's just stay like that. I lose all control for like no, but oh, Jesus Christ, that's hard. Like this flat area, people have been driving on the same place. Wow, that's heavy. I'm death gripping the handlebars. That's probably one of my mistakes, but how do you not death grip when you're about to fall? Like every other second. No, but in less than 28 degrees, this would have been cool. Wow. I mean, it's cool, given it 28 degrees. Cool is maybe not the right word for this. Okay, so we go straight here. Oh, nice. The road continues. This is the sandy section that we're talking about. Must be They told me I would miss it, but I don't feel like I'm missing it. Nice! Oh, this is cool. This is very cool. Oh. Oh, see? I'm like falling over, but then I get some grip and it straightens back up. So you just have to trust in the fall. What the hell? Oh, that doesn't make sense. Never trust in the fall. And follow. Oh, you can see it's like steering a boat or something. Wow. Okay, I'm loving this. Until I fall, I guess. This is great. I probably should take some air out of my tires, but I made it so far without doing it, so I don't know. I don't have any pump with me, so we'll see. If it turns back to pure sand and I'm having a hard time, then maybe. So the road between that previous town and this town is just pure sand. That's very cool.